This is going to be a video product review of the Amazon Basics USB 3.0 extension cable. It is an USB-A male to USB-A female extender cord. It is 6 feet long. It's a 2-pack. The price is incredibly low. Just unbelievable how low it is. So I wasn't sure what I was going to be getting when I took it out of the box, but this is a heavy-duty cable. I wasn't expecting this, honestly. This is a really strong, this is a beefy cable. It's not one of those thin, cheapy things. You can see it's a little bit rigid, so it's quality. We have the USB male and female, so it's a 3.0. The nice thing about this, the price is incredible. With a 3.0, you can also use it on a 2.0. So if you only have 2.0 right now, I would buy this, and when you have a 3.0 computer or when you have a 3.0 port, you'll be able to plug this in and get the benefits of the 3.0. On Amazon, it says it comes in a 3.3 feet, a 3.3 feet 2-pack, a 10-pack, a 6-foot 2-pack, a 6.5-foot 10-pack, a 9.8-foot 10-pack. So they cover all the bases for you. I'm going to plug this in right now and see how it works. I'm going to leave a link for this cable in the description of the video. So if you click on it, you'll be able to buy it directly from Amazon, and you'll get a benefit. I'll get a little benefit being an affiliate. So let me plug this in right now. I'm going to plug this into a 2.0 charge and see what happens. Over here, you see that I have the two cables connected together. One of them is going to my 2.0 amp quick charge plug connected to this cable, and I've got it connected to this set of lamps over here. That's why I bought this. Now, you might buy it so that you can plug it into the back of the computer, have an extension cable for your printer, or for when you're connecting your camera, your camcorder. I bought it for this, and I'm going to show you why. So I've got some bulbs here that these are bulbs that would go on a vanity mirror, and I thought, I don't want to put them on a vanity mirror. I want to be able to use this for emergency lighting. So I've got it connected to the USB. Let's see what happens now. This is connected to the plug. The light bulbs come on. So these two cables, or even one cable, will let you do a lot more than just connecting your printer or your camcorder or your cell phone. It allows you to connect anything with a USB cable. With that example, if you have an external battery pack, you would be able to plug those lights into the USB on the external battery pack, and you would have lighting for hours and hours for an emergency or an earthquake. So these are good quality cables. These are sturdy, these are solid. The Amazon Basic really has some very nice nice stuff. I've bought other cables for my USB printer, connecting it across the room. So I recommend this, the 3.0 extension cable, A to B, a 2-pack, so you can use it just one, or you can connect it and get an extension. These are 6 feet long, so I've got 12 feet of cable for just a reasonable price of $9. You cannot beat it. Make sure you click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.